Hi all, today we will discuss about ELK. What is ELK? Why we need ELK? How to install ELK? And where we have to monitor the logs. So ELK means Elasticsearch Log Stack Kibana. Elasticsearch is a distributed JSON-based search and analysis engine designed for horizontal scalability, maximum reliability, and easy management. Logstack is a dynamic data collection pipeline with an extensible plugin ecosystem and a strong Elasticsearch energy. Kibana gives the visualization of data through the UI. So ELK is just a way where we have to visualize the log. Based on that, different microservices we can configure the ELK, and how it will be visualized based on the three things. Kibana, it will be provide this interface where we can search and then see all the details. Logstack is will be listen the application log and transfer to the JSON and send to the Elasticsearch. So Kibana is a UI which will provide Elasticsearch will take this detail and then it will be forward to search this by using Elasticsearch. And Logstash, which will be go for the particular log of microservices. So it will be provided by default database where the logs will be stored, and according to that, whatever the request is coming from Elasticsearch, they will search related from which microservices and get the response will send to the Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch will provide to the Kibana and Kibana will show you the UI. So mostly it's used for the logs tracking, monitor the applications and trace your applications by using log. So how you will be use ELK. So this is the ELK, and if you want to install ELK in your machine, then this is a step. So where we have to log in this URL installing the ELK in Windows machine. So click on that. I'll share this link in description. So how you will install ELK in Windows? Any of the operating system you can install. I'm installing for Windows machine. If you want, you can use for Unix, Linux, and Mac. So Elastic installation. First, you have to click on this MSI package Elasticsearch. Click on this and download. So once it will be download, open this MSI package. Just launch this installation. See, this is downloaded. Yeah, once we click on this and then use this default directory, then go for this next and then install as a service next. Next, we'll see this one. See here default. Then after that, install service. Use this, and then this will become, and then memory size 264, and then do the install. After that, this one will be installed, and for this browser is 127.0.0.19200. So once installation and service will start, you will see the nice message here, this one, and this is the URL which you have to hit. We'll see. It is asking for permission. Given permission, now it is installing. So after installation, this Elasticsearch is shown in the by default URL. So this we'll see from Yeah, Elasticsearch has successfully installed. Now you have to click on exit, enter in this check. Why? Because of here install and uninstall as a service started, you'll see the nice message. So Elasticsearch is started. Okay, so this service will display like this. We have to check Elasticsearch. So first we have to check our services is started or not. Taskbar services. Here services, click on the services and see this Elasticsearch. Click on a start. Once this will be running status, now we can hit this URL and we could not start Elasticsearch in okay, so it is not yet starting. Automatic manual not able to start, so depends on this because my system is not providing this. So once you start, then you see this one and ELK will be installed. So this package here, ELK Elasticsearch. So Elasticsearch will be installed and then that will be provide a Kibana visualization and log stack. So this is the document which will be provided, and once you will see, then after that you can download the Kibana, and then Kibana will be downloaded. Then you can install this Kibana, and then Kibana is installed. Then this is the Kibana Elasticsearch we have installed. Then Kibana. So the extract, first we have to extract this, and then Kibana will be extracted. And then this where we can see the logs. So this is the logs which is same coming. File bit, they are using here file bit. And once this installation is complete, then here we can see this logs. So they are based on the timestamp, based on this query, based on this search, based on the microservices, based on the trace ID, spam ID. You can search any type of logs here. Yeah. So this is still extracting for this. After that, also we will see the see here this download is happening or not, Kibana, and after that we have some Firebit. On the Firebit MSI for window we have to install. Then so while you configure this Elasticsearch, then you need to download this three software, unzip it and download and run this. So we have Fire. This also this one I will install parallelly because given it is taking time, so that we will start this file bit and file bit. This is completed. So now we will go for extracted or not. We'll see. This Kibana still is extracting, it is taking time. So once done, then we will install. So like that we will do, and then we have a this way this will be interface will come.